Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Odisha twice this week on 5th May and 10th May. The PM's visits to Odisha assume importance after his statement that Oriya language and Odisha's Asmita are under threat. PM Modi will reach Bhubaneswar on Sunday night and he will go to Berhampur and Nabarangpur on Monday to address public meetings. He will again come to Odisha on a two-day visit starting 10th May. On the first day, he will hold a roadshow in Bhubaneswar and is scheduled to address public meeting in Bolangir on 11th May. The prestigious Aligarh Muslim University has got its first woman vice-chancellor in the form of Naima Khatun. Khatun's appointment recently received approval from the President of India Draupadi Murmu as well as the Election Commission in view of the model code of conduct being in place for the Lok Sabha elections. Naima Khatun hails from Odisha's Jajpur district and she is the first woman vice-chancellor of AMU in its over 100 years of history. After reeling under intense heat wave spell for several days, people of Odisha can expect much needed relief from the scorching hot and humid conditions. IMD has predicted that there will be considerable drop in the maximum temperature in Odisha. There is possibility of thunderstorm activities in different parts of the state in the next 2 days, which will bring down the maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees. And Egyptian mediators and Hamas have reached a consensus on several issues regarding a potential ceasefire in the Gaza Strip. A Hamas delegation had arrived in Cairo to discuss the terms of an Egypt-proposed initiative for a ceasefire with Israel. The ongoing Israeli attacks on the Gaza Strip have killed more than 34,600 Palestinians and wounded over 77,800 others. The attacks also led to massive destruction of homes and infrastructure in Gaza.